Hello, and thank you for coming by to Apis Bull. And we are going to take a look at the Dow, silver, and some cryptos, and the elections. Now, we are looking at the daily chart for the Dow Jones, the daily chart for Bitcoin, and the daily chart for silver, all going up. Silver's going up. Dow Jones going up. Bitcoin going up. Now, do you think that this is a temporary situation, or do you think this is a weekly chart of Bitcoin? Here's a monthly chart of Bitcoin. Notice that we're at the top here. Broke out of the triangle. And whatever direction you break out of the triangle, that's the direction you're going to go. So here's a daily chart. It looks like we're at the top here. So I think that the elections, right after the elections, everything is going to fall to pieces. Your silver, your stock market, your Bitcoin. Because look at your silver. Silver is going up for the moment. This is a daily chart. Silver is going up for the moment. The daily chart. Well, let's take a look at this weekly chart of silver. We got this flagpole, and then we're developing this flag, but the flag is going an upward trend. So whenever you have a flagpole that goes in one direction, and then the flag goes in the other direction, that means it's only temporary, that it will eventually come back the other way. So what happens when we go to the monthly chart? Silver is starting to come down. Now when we go to let's look at the Dow Jones for that. Dow Jones monthly chart, we're at a top here. So everything is at a top. Bitcoin at a top. So that means probably within a month or two, maybe even 3 months, things will just fall to pieces. Now, if Trump wins, they're going to smash this market down. They're going to smash all the markets down, and then they're going to say, see what happened when you vote for the wrong guy? But if Biden wins, everything is going to be peachy because, that's their boy. Why would they smash the market when when they have their own guy in there? But Trump, he's not their own guy. He's on his own. He doesn't play their game. So if he wins, they're gonna smash it, and then they're gonna blame everything on him, and they're gonna say you voted for the wrong person. Now, that's just me talking about speculative. But when I look at the chart says it's going to come down. And the market already knows who's going to win the election. Money's coming out of silver anyway. Now, I don't know if you heard this, but the U.S. Mint says that they have to raise the prices on silver, the Silver Eagles, to $67 to cover cost, because they're supposed to be in the business to either make a profit or break even, and they are not supposed to have the taxpayer pay for their operation. So So they have to raise their prices in order to keep the business operation expenses covered, because the taxpayer is not supposed to pay for all that. And so they're going to raise the price of the silver eagles to $67. That's from what I heard. And that doesn't mean the Canadian maple is going to be rising, and all your secondary market coins, all your little mom and pop shop coin makers, that doesn't, it may or may not affect them. But I would suspect that sometime after, what's this, Columbus Day? Sometime after Columbus Day, you're going to start seeing all these price increases, from all these online web stores that sell silver eagles. They're going to be shooting up like a rocket. And I'm hoping that when you sell to them, that they don't, give you $30. I'm hoping that they give you something like 64 instead of 67. But who knows? It'd really suck if you had to pay 67 and then turn around and then they would only give you 30 for it. With the spots, with whatever the price of silver is going for. No, I paid 67. You're gonna pay me close to that if I sell it back to you. So XRP, see, XRP is at a high. XRP is probably going to come down some more. Ripple, also known as Ripple. Here's Monero. Let's see what Monero is doing. So you always, if you want to be a long-term investor, always look at the monthly chart first. So this is Monero at a high. See, they're gonna slam this market when after the election. They're gonna slam everything. What we got here? Oh, Misogo. Misogo's already coming down. Look at that. Already coming down. It's already red candlesticks. Look at that. Nano. Oh, there's nothing. Internet of Things. Already coming down. See that? Look at it. We're at a market. The money flow is already high. It's already coming down on the stochastics. Let's see what it looks like on the weekly chart. Hitting bottom. Daily chart. After the election, hang on to your paper money. Hang on to your paper money, and then when they smash it down, go out and buy all the Bitcoin and silver coins that you can get your hands on. Because I'm not that I'm being biased here, but I'm pretty sure Trump is going to win, and then they're just going to blame everything, all the stuff on him. I'm going to show you why I keep telling people that Bitcoin is going to go back down to $8,500. Okay, so Bitcoin is going up 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row. It's shooting high. It's going high. But look. It's at a top. It's at a market top. This is a daily chart. It's at a market top. Weekly chart. It's in the middle of the road. It could go up some more. Yes, it could go up some more. But look at the daily chart. I mean, the monthly chart. It's at a top. This is why I keep telling people that Bitcoin is going to go back down to 8,500. And by the looks of this, it might even be more than that. It might be even 6,000. Wouldn't that be great? But I'm telling you, man, when the election is over, maybe days, maybe weeks, but I'm pretty sure before January 1st, they're going to smash everything. Everything. They're going to blame everything on Trump. And they're going to tell everybody in the country, you voted for the wrong guy. But everything is already set to come down anyway. Never let a good crisis go to waste. Hang on to your paper money, and then when they smash it down, go out and buy all the Bitcoin and silver coins that you can get your hands on. Because not that I'm being biased here, but I'm pretty sure Trump is going to win, and then they're just going to blame everything, all the stuff on him. I would get some mining, let's see, silver mining stocks. Now, someone mentioned that they wanted FCX, which is somewhat of a mining stock. This is monthly chart. They're all at a high. All your minings, all your silver mines are at, whether it's gold or silver, they're all at a highs. I'm telling you, when the election comes, they're gonna smash it. Here's a silver mine in Mexico. See, it's already at the top. Monthly chart, already at the top. So when here's a silver mine in this one here. It's in a silver mine in Nevada. It's already at the top. Already at the top. When the when the election is over, everything comes down. Everything. Here's pay. Pay what? Oh, 10x pay. You don't want that. Theta. Theta's at the top. I'm telling you, man, when the election is over, everything comes down. Hang on to your dollar bills, even though they're not worth much. Here's your corn. Man, you heard me talk about corn a lot. Corn's reaching out a high. Everything's going to be smashed down. Here's your... What else is here? Soybeans. Soybeans at the top here. Wheat. Zcash. Already turning over. What is this? OX? That's a Zcash. What is this? So, the election crash. And if you want to play the crash, here's the one to get in. See this right here? SQQQ. That's in case if you want to short the Dow Jones or the S&P 500. If you want to short the S&P 500, it is the SQQQ. Let's see if that pops up again. There it is. And that's a monthly chart. And whenever the stock market goes down, this will go up. So it does it in reverse. So instead of shorting, you're actually buying long on this, and then when the stock market drops like a rock, this will go up like a skyrocket. Just like the VIX. Just like the VIX index. But I'd rather play the QQQ or the SQQQ. So here's a QQQ, and it's opposite of the SQQ. That's what the S stands for, short. Let's go on the daily chart. We're at the bottom. We're going to be there until the end of the election. When the election comes, save your money. I don't even know. What is this? ADA. What's that? Already crashing. Look at that. Money is flowing out. Well, I hope you're learning something. And I hope you're going to anticipate a market crash, because I can't imagine that if Donald gets elected and everything skyrockets. No. If he gets elected, they're going to smash everything and blame everything on him, and they're going to do everything they can to make him look bad. So that's my take, and I'm just saying what the charts are telling me. So get ready, because here it comes.